Hello everyone! Jen's Vlog here! For today's video, sisilipin natin ang Okada. So ayan, nandito na kami guys, mga lakwachero, walakwachera. Nandito ulit kami sa Okada. So I have been here 3 times, maybe 3 years ago na, before pandemic. And madami na ditong mga restaurants, mga expensive restaurants of course. At meron na din akong nakitang Jollibee dito sa loob. Kakain nga sana kami but we decided to go back na to our next destination. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Japanese ang may-ari ng Okada na ito. At everyday, maraming pumupunta dito para mamasyal, magsugal, ganon. As usual, hindi kami magtatagal dito kasi madilim na sa labas. At hindi maganda ang panahon today, umuulan. Tapos, hihinto, uulan ulit. Ganon.
Where we go?
Trying to find our way away from this nightmare place.
This is not nightmare place.
Who did say that?
So here we are now inside the mansion, Palacio de Memoria. Umuulan na dito guys. Mayroong airplane bar dito sa loob. Madilim na dito at umuulan pa. Ito kasi gusto pumunta dito sa place na to. You left your cup there? Because you're excited. This is a nice place here inside a plane.
Like, and we have to make sure that baka may nakuha sila photo.
No, but yun nga, part
So, ayan, we were going back home na. It's raining a lot na here. So, nandiyan kami sa bar na yan. Airplane bar. I like the ambience. And there's cool music.